And I'll use the nail. That's the fit today. All right, we got a rug in and still try to find ones this big. All right, guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey. If you're new here, if you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. So don't mind my little cut on my lip. I burned myself. Let me know. And now it's healing, so not the cutest, but it's all right. Another day of organizing. We're trying to get this place all set up and livable. We've had some problems with our fridge, so we just had someone come in and try to fix it because our ice maker wasn't making ice, whatever. So they spent some time trying to fix it. We just went on a walk, got some lunch, and ate outside. It's a beautiful day. I think I might go swim in the pool today, which I'm really excited about. So, but first we went to Target and got some bins. So my sunglasses. I don't particularly like love these ones, but they have their use. We already had 2 of them, so I wanted one more to make it an even 3, and I've been putting all the paper goods in here. I'll show you that. But then this is our closet. See, and we have all these shelves, and we needed some type of bin. So I got these ones because they were a little bit nicer than like the plastic ones. So they look like this. I got like 7 of them, and I got these little clips on Amazon. They haven't come in yet, but I'm gonna like label each one. But I got a bunch of them. I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm thinking maybe like 3 across here, and then we need to put like our suitcases up here, and I still haven't like dealt with it, but that is the plan for right now. Okay, so this is what the kitchen is looking like so far. We just like, I haven't put anything really away because I don't know how I want to place it, but I'm thinking I just need to put it somewhere, and then I can always play with it later. So that is that. I'm going to move these around, try to find a place for everything just for now. It doesn't have to be permanent. That's like what I got to tell myself. I can move it. So I'm gonna try to put, I'm thinking cups, plates, and bowls. I'm getting a bunch of jars to do more of the jars that I was doing before, but fill hopefully all of this with like pantry items. And I still don't know what to do over here yet. So here is the before. All right, a little quick lunch stop, some leftover Chinese. The lovely view. It's so nice and bright in here. I love it. But it is a little bit echoey because there's no rug yet. Got some lo mein. I don't know if I ever ended up showing you guys our new chairs, but we love them. They swivel. They're from Overstock, I think. It took me forever to find a chair that I thought would go well with this table, and also took me forever to find a table that would fit this space because our couch is going to be coming pretty far out. So I will link both of them down below. I don't know if I said this or not. And then we're gonna get 2 more chairs here and there and kind of center the table more. But right now we just put our little bar cart thing here. This is from CB2. This is from Crate & Barrel, and then like some bar stuff. I have the vacuum out because I'm gonna finish up. And that's the update. I cleaned up the kitchen for the most part. These aren't finished, but I got a good start on them. So these are like our bowls and our plates. I'll link everything that we have down below. These are also from CB2, Crate & Barrel, CB2, all different. And then like some serving stuff up there. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Oh, hello. And gotta get a rug, couches. Gonna be here in a few weeks, I think. Need to hang this mirror. Need to hang this picture, need to move this like bin with blankets in it, but that is the update. We just had lunch at our little dining table. I love having a table. We did not have a table at our last place, and it's so nice.
Hello.
Hello, Brooks. Why do you sit so funny? It's funny. Okay, so I'm doing my nails right now in the midst. And I laid out a little blanket for Brooks, but he needs to be right next to me. So I sat and I'm fake tanning. So I put this towel down on our new chairs, but he needs to sit in the chair next to me. Right? You need to sit next to Mom. So I'm doing my nails now. I think I'm gonna do this color, Mike and Ike. And then I think I'm just gonna do the tips. So I'll show you how that comes out. Okay guys, the day is almost over. We just ordered some Thai for dinner. I wanted to show you what I'm wearing today because it's cozy and cute. This is from Z Supply. I love Z Supply. And then this is just like a black long sleeve. I finished my nails. I will link the color that I used down below. And I'll use the nails that I use also because they are tips because my nails have been struggling during this move. We are gonna go to the new apartment now and deal with our old bed because we had to have it picked up, so we have to bring it to the street. So we're gonna go deal with that. I didn't get much done today, honestly. It's hard because I need to buy a bunch of organizers to be able to like properly organize. So don't have much updates. I'll share when I do, but we're gonna go deal with our old mattress. We still have our new place for like another week. We just got these little kitchen utensils from Amazon. I wanted like white. Preferably I would have wished it was all silicone because the wood can get weird in the dishwasher, but what can you do? At least it has a silicone handle. I'll link the one I got down below, but I think the white is really cute. Out to coffee with Brooks. Just got some Starbucks. Sunglasses, headband, dress. All right, we got a rug in. I ordered this rug. I hope it's the right size for this space. Let's open her up. How do we feel about this rug, B? Brookie. Oh my gosh. B. What is this? Oh.
For a second,
I unboxed all of these jars. These I already had, and I'm struggling to find the same sizes, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. I definitely like these for like pasta and stuff, but I'm thinking these are too small. This one came in one package, and these came in one package. These could be nice, but I think these are too small, so I might return these and just order some small ones and still try to find ones this big. But I have a bunch of labels, so I'm gonna put them all on. Excited. And I'm gonna put them all right here. All right, we are headed out to dinner, but I wanted to show my outfit because I think it's a really cute and easy casual dinner outfit. So I have this little top from H&M. I will link it down below. And then I just put hoops. Oh, my mascara. Hoops, because jewelry makes everything more dressed up. A little bow in the hair, bag, some denim shorts, and then I'm gonna wear sneakers because we're gonna walk. Casual, but denim shorts and a cute top, always a good thing. All right, we're heading to brunch. Oh, okay, there we go. Want to show you my outfit. This little romper is from Zara. I think it's adorable. I have a little cardigan over. Slides, pink bag. I will link my sunglasses. I mean, my earrings and sunglasses. That's the fit today. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here so I can start a new one, but thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one.